Get your home ready for those summer parties. That's right, we're talking about how to make sure the exterior of your house is free from dirt, mold, grime, all that nasty stuff. And that's where the team at Pristine Clean steps in to make it all possible.
My name's Ken Wilson. I'm the owner of Pristine Clean, and I want to get my house washed. I want to get everything ready for summer party season, so it's time to treat myself to a Pristine Clean. Pristine Clean is the largest locally owned power washing company in Ohio. We wash commercial, residential, houses, roofs, decks, patios, driveways, pretty much anything exterior surface, we're going to be able to wash it for you. Just being able to look and see any type of grime, black streaks on the roof, dirty driveway, green algae growing on the siding. But also what makes us a little different, we're just not just a power washing company. We also wash, we protect with our sealants and different types of things we put on for protectants. And we also renew, which is something that just sets us apart, makes us a little different. Especially the way certain materials are made nowadays, they require a little bit more maintenance to them. You can't just leave your driveway. It requires sealant. You got to get it sealed to keep it protected. Washing your house to make it look great, but also we put a sealer on it to make it last longer, the clean. And then also your roof. Those black streaks that you see, those grow all the time. And so we can take those off and also rejuvenate it with our roof renew process.
Right now he is using a surface washer, and those brushes that you see on the side are containment brushes that keep things from shooting into the customer's pool at the moment. But underneath that surface washer is a swivel bar, and it has multiple high pressure nozzle tips that'll clean deep down into the pores of the concrete so that we can apply some sealant and get those cleaned out really nice for the customer. The first steps of our house wash process is we like to wet the plants down, anything around the house, with just straight water, followed by an application of our house wash solution. What that house wash solution will do is it's going to lift any dirt, grime, algae, anything that's on your siding that causes potential damage to your siding. It'll lift that right off. After that, our technicians will use a soft bristle brush if there's any stubborn areas that they see. That way the soft bristle brush is nice and easy on the customer's home and property, so it doesn't cause any damage. We'll remove those stains that way. After the soft bristle brush process, and we rinse down all the solutions and dirt and grime off the house, we'll apply a third step process, which is a protective coating to the vinyl siding, which will give it a nice pop and brighten it up and protect it from getting dirty faster. This is our window cleaning process. So what happens here, the technicians will hook right up to your garden hose, and we have a deionized water filtration system inside the trucks. So that water will travel through there. That deionized water filtration system will pull all the solids and minerals out of the water itself, feed it up through that water-fed pole there, and allow the technicians to brush crystal clear, clean water with a light scrub, safe for the windows. And the best part of it, there's no drying process.
Customer first means we're not just a marketing company, right, that does service. We're a service company, so we lead first with our service to just make sure that our customers are taken care of, they're satisfied. We have thousands of customers in Ohio, and so yeah, customer first means just that. We are focusing on our customers before we're looking at profits or anything like that. Locally owned, locally operated. I'm not only the owner, but I'm also a client, right? We do fantastic work, and you're going to get a great company that's going to really care about what we do and how we do it. I'm just really passionate about the service, power washing, right? It's nice. It's gratifying to be able to go to someone's house, make it look nice for them, make it ready for them to be able to do whatever they got to do, right? It's nice to be able to provide a gratifying service that has a really nice reveal as well. The house is pristine clean, right? Now it's time for you to treat your home to a Pristine Clean.
Okie doke, folks, you can visit Pristine Clean online to take that next step, and you can be proud of your home.